What's going on, beautiful traders? It's your boy Adrian, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, we take on Alpha Capital, a prop firm in the Forex game. We're gonna look into them and see what they got to offer. And I actually got an account with them, and we're gonna dive into that a little bit. But first, I want you to smash the like button, subscribe, only if you want to, of course. Show your boy some love and leave me a comment down below. So this is their homepage, alphacapitalgroup.uk. And as you can see, based off the homepage right here, revolutionize your trading game. And I love it because there's no time limit, which right now that is the standard across the board with all prop firms. There's zero commission trading, which is pretty dope. So that's on all asset classes, right? So whether you're doing Forex, crypto, indices, metals, there's zero commission trading, which is pretty dope. Institutional execution environment, advanced dashboard and analytics. And I'll be looking at the dashboard a little later, but this is pretty much what you get right off the bat when you hop onto the homepage. They're in over 180 plus countries. They have over 215 traders, which is pretty dope. They were founded back in 2021. So they're fairly new when you think about the things. I mean, we're in 2024 now, so what is that? That's 22, 23, now 24, so going on the third year of operation. Revolutionize your trading dashboard. We offer our traders advanced trading analytics, and I like that. And the reason being is that, a lot of prop firms, they just more or less show you, your equity curve. They don't really give you the ins and outs. Like for instance, almost similar to a trading journal where they have a calendar and they break down your most profitable days, or not break down, but they show you what days you were profitable on and what days you had losses. Alpha Capital has that in their dashboard, which is pretty dope, right? Look at this, built-in, custom-built trading journal, right? Which is pretty dope, as I was just mentioning there. They got monthly competitions, free trials for you to try it out before, making a purchase. And you can, check the leaderboards to see if that's something that you want to aspire to be on as a leaderboard. That's pretty dope as well. Here's a bit about the Alpha Capital Group. They are a team of elite financial professionals whose unwavering focus is empowering traders with the tools and resources to achieve unprecedented success. We help our traders gain accurate insights to achieve unparalleled performance with our ingenious dashboard. Experience unrivaled support and unparalleled success in the Forex markets with our accredited market experts, offering personalized one-on-one risk reviews. Become a professional trader by joining us now. Yo, just that alone just gets me hooked. I'm ready for this, man. A little further down on the homepage, you have some more information on the zero commission. You have some more information on Alpha Capital Markets. Unlimited trading days, again, as I mentioned, that's like the standard now across the board. Minimal slippage, which is one thing that, a lot of traders talk about when they're looking at prop firms, is that the slippage, sometimes, depending on the prop firm, can be not overwhelming. I was gonna say overwhelming, but the slippage can be a bit too much to the liking. So here they mention that they have minimal slippage on top of their $0 commission. Their slippage, or the spreads, I should say, start at 0.1, which is dope. So they got pretty competitive spreads. Test your skill set. So here are the accounts that they offer, starting from 10K all the way up to 200K. It is a two-phase prop firm, right? There are no maximum days. However, there are minimum trading days. You have to trade at least a minimum of 3 days, right? And then when you're funded, you got to trade a minimum of 5 days before getting the payout, which is pretty dope. Most prop firms is either a month or 2 weeks. These guys, you got to do 5 days, right? So let's break this down. So I purchased the 100K challenge, all right? And the profit target is 8% in the first phase and 5% in the second phase, right? 8 and 5, that's pretty standard across the board. A lot of prop firms though do 10% on the first phase. Some do 8, these guys here do 8. There is no profit split in the phases, phase 1 and 2. However, when you're funded, it's 80-20, right? The max drawdown is 10%. 10% in both phases, as well as the funded phase as well, right? funded being what is it? What's the proper term now after the whole fiasco with my Forex fund? The proper term is simulated. The proper term is simulated funds or simulated trading, right? That's the proper term. You don't actually get a live account. You get a simulated account where you can trade and get those virtual profits, right? So with Alpha Capital, you have the option to scale up to $2 million, which is pretty dope. So as long as you stay consistent and you trade within their parameters, get withdrawals, you can scale up to $2 million. However long it takes you, I don't know, everyone is different. As mentioned, minimum trading days is 3 on each phase, and then 5 days for the funded before you can get the payout. 0% commissions. You can actually trade through news. There's no stipulations on the news when trading with these guys, and you can hold over the weekend as well. Just be mindful as to which instrument you're trading, because of course that carries certain fees. So what I would encourage, if you are looking at these guys, go to their FAQ and find out more about that stuff. Their 100K challenge account is $497, which is pretty much right in line with all the other prop firms right now. This month, January, they are running a promo which gives you, I believe it was 25% off. You just have to enter the discount code at checkout. You get the 25 discount, which is what I did, and you're on your way to go, right? So the funding journey, step 1 is to begin your challenge. Make that purchase, whichever account you want to go with. Achieve the virtual profit target of 8%. And then after you've accomplished these objectives, you'll be ready to take on the next step towards success, which is step 2, establish a track record. You will have the opportunity to further establish your track record and exhibit your trading prowess in phase 2 without any time constraints, where you must trade to reach a virtual profit target of 5% to proceed to the funded account. Boom, love it. And then obviously step 3, get the funded account, receive a payout of 80%. Now, which platform do they use? So they use MetaTrader 5, and as well they have CTrader coming pretty soon. I don't trade CTrader, never did, probably never will, so I don't care for CTrader. You know what? Never say never, right? Never say never. They got bi-monthly same-day performance fee payouts. So pretty much what that means is every 2 weeks you get a payout. And they do have a free trial account that you can start with. And also monthly free trading competition where you have the opportunity to win a challenge account, which is pretty dope, right? So on Trustpilot, you can see they have some pretty good ratings, but let's actually find this out for ourselves. Can't always trust everything we see that meets the eye. All right, so we see on Trustpilot, they have a rating of 4.8. They're excellent, and they are a verified company, checked off, right? So their reviews, waiting time was a bit longer than usual, but the moderators, I want to assume that's in the Discord. The moderators help this person out. Not sure what they mean about the waiting time was longer than a bit usual, so we're just going to avoid that. Worth 5 stars. First of all, I was given a 5K prop firm for free. After passing, I had a few issues, but the customer care is just so dope. I know I've disturbed these guys a lot, but they've been very, very patient. What I'm seeing really quick is that the customer service is really dope with these guys. Like they're on point with the customer service, right? Which is pretty cool, right? Greatest prop firm. Alpha Capital has surpassed all my expectations. The best broker. Maybe they mean the best prop firm. Even though Alpha Capital have their own broker, but we'll see. Professional feel. Alpha Capital is one of the best. So guys, a lot of the reviews on Trustpilot is pretty dope. It's pretty high. So definitely check that out. Do your own research. Figure out what's best for you. Don't take my word, at face value. I'm just a guy on the internet, on YouTube, doing this for entertainment purposes. So figure out, what's best for you. Do your own research. Let's look at the dashboard. As we can see, it is the 17th of January. I had actually purchased this yesterday, the 16th. but I guess they're starting it based on the first day I placed a trade, which was today, the 17th. I'm currently in a NAS buy. So that's why my equity is currently up right now. Anyways, so the account size is 100K, but here's the actual journal. You can actually, let's see if you can click in. Yeah, beautiful. You can actually click into the day and see where you're at in terms of, you know, what time you placed the trade. Is this accurate? Is this based on my, yeah, so this is accurate. This is based on my time, right? 10:25 a.m. was when I placed the trade. It was a buy, 0 commission. So you see that here for yourself, 0 commission, right? And still currently in the trade. As you can see, it's just a very small trade, 2.5 on the lot size there, right? So it's pretty dope. I like that. A lot of prop firms don't have this, and I've always wanted to see this in the back office or the dashboard of prop firms. So that's pretty dope. Let's see what else we have in the dashboard. You have achievements. I mean, I haven't achieved anything just yet, so but this is where you see all your certificates. I want to assume that you'll see your funded certificate, your payout certificate right in there. You have an account analysis where you see your balance curve, your average profit or loss, basic information. I'll block this stuff out right here, my login ID. So yeah, I got nothing really shown yet because I just started this. Account metrics, right? This is where we were just at there, right? And you got some payment history, competition list, so on and so forth. Guys, this seems like a worthwhile prop firm to check out. Again, do your own research. I'm just a random guy on the internet sharing my experience, you know what I'm saying? Don't take my word at face value. But yeah, do your own research, check it out. Alpha Capital, right now in January, they are running a promotion, 25% off. Let me verify, 1 second. Yeah, so I just double checked in their Discord. It is a 25% discount on the evaluations, the challenge accounts. So check them out. That promo is running until the 31st of January. You have the opportunity to receive 25% off on a challenge account or evaluation account. So guys, check them out. I'm gonna keep you updated with this account, looking to pass this account and get funded with them and, you know, do my thing with it, you know what I'm saying? Once I pass these guys, trade with them for a little bit, get a payout, I'm gonna purchase another account with a different prop firm and then link up a trade copier to trade all my prop firms and go from there. Other than that, that's all I got for you in this video. So thank you for tuning in. But before you go, do me a huge favor. Do me a huge favor. Smash the like button. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe. Only if you want to, of course. And leave your boy a comment down below. Thanks for tuning in, man. As I always say, speak truth and speak life. Your boy is out.